Hi friends, hearty welcome to you all to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. The monsoon has set in and this chill weather would make us yearn for something hot and crunchy to munch on. So today I'm going to share with you an irresistible and lip-smacking snack recipe, crispy corn chaat. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making the crispy corn chaat, first step is to boil the sweet corn kernels. So take a pan and add 4 cups of water and bring it to boil. Once you see the bubbles coming out of the water, just add half a teaspoon of salt. This will add taste to the kernels. Mix thoroughly. Now once it gets boiled, add 2 cups of sweet corn kernels. I have used the frozen ones. You have to thaw them before using them. Mix thoroughly and let it boil for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, they've been cooked completely. Now switch off the stove and drain the kernels with a colander and discard the excess water. Once you discard the water, keep the kernels for about 15 minutes aside, and after 15 minutes transfer the drained corn into another broad dish. Now to this add 2 tablespoons of Maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour, and mix them thoroughly. Now sprinkle little amount of water and mix well. Don't add too much of water. We sprinkle water so that the corn gets well coated with the flour. Now again add 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of rice flour and mix thoroughly. And sprinkle some amount of water and mix again. Third time we are going to repeat the same process so that the entire batch of the corn gets coated well with the flour and there's absolutely no moisture in the kernels. And use light hands to mix gently so that the corns don't get broken. Now to this add half a teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now the corn kernels have been dusted well with the flour and they don't get stuck to each other. Now sieve off the excess flour with a colander. Sift them thoroughly and do it gently and do it in batches. Now the kernels are ready to be fried. Fry them immediately, don't leave them to rest for a long time. Now heat oil in a deep pan, and once the oil gets heated, completely simmer the stove and gently drop the corn. And as soon as you drop the corns, you must cover the pan with a lid. Cover only 80%, don't cover fully. Leave some gap for the steam to escape. And if you don't cover the pan, the moisture content in the corns would make them crackle and splutter and they may splash oil upon you. So please follow all these safety measures while frying the corns. And don't cover the pan fully, and also don't fry the kernels without the lid. Leave 80% gap and fry them over a medium flame. Now they are done. They've turned golden brown. Now drain them with a colander. And see that you fry them in small batches so that you get those real crispy corns. Don't crowd all of them together. Now they are done. Just listen to the sound that these corns make. Absolutely crunchy, right? Now transfer them into a bowl and add some onions. Chopped onions 3 tablespoons and half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder followed by quarter teaspoon of dry mango powder or Aamchur powder, half a teaspoon of chilli powder followed by half a teaspoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of salt, the required quantity of salt needed by you, and some chopped coriander leaves, and mix thoroughly. Now a super delicious crispy corn chaat is ready to be served. Friends, please try this recipe and let me know your valuable feedback, and please subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in my next upload. Until then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.